Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are going to be preparing this Buddy's Pizza pepperoni variety. Now we have got everything that we need assembled here, which is very, very simple. You just need to bring your pizza to the party and the oven that you already have. Now normally I would tell you that the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven, but today, listen to me closely, do not preheat your oven. Don't do it. You need to leave your oven off. And let's take off all the packaging from our pizza. Once you get the packaging off of your pizza, you're still going to leave it in the pan. Do not take your pizza out of the pan. You will cook it in this pan. So now that we have a cold oven and an unwrapped pizza, we are going to place our pizza frozen into our cold oven and then turn our oven on to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake this for their recommended time of 22 to 28 minutes. However, after 18 minutes, we wanna make sure that we're checking this every few minutes to make sure that it's not getting overcooked. You want your cheese to be lightly browned and melty, and that's when you know it's ready. Now, don't panic. If you already preheated your oven, go ahead and place your frozen pizza in and bake it for 12 to 18 minutes, but keep an eye on it at that 12-minute mark because it might be already ready. Now you might be saying, oh no, my pizza is thawed, it's not frozen. What do I do now? Again, put it into your cold oven, start checking it around 12 minutes. If you have already preheated your oven and your pizza is thawed out, God help you, start checking that thing at 6 minutes and hope for the best. So I'm gonna place this in there and let you guys know exactly how long this takes in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, we are back and it has been 28 minutes in my oven. The edges are nice and golden brown, but the center cheese is still not quite golden, but we're gonna go with this. So here's our completed Buddy's pepperoni pizza. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.